Hello once again and welcome to IELTS listening by question type. My name is, you're right, Asad Yaqub, and I'm from Pakistan, and I'm going to share some tips about IELTS, and we are discussing IELTS listening module, and this type of question which we are going to discuss, that is short answer question. Before we continue, let me tell you about myself. I've taken IELTS 2 times and I got 8 bands, and I teach IELTS online, and I also teach IELTS in Lahore, Pakistan. So if you want to join my classes, you're most welcome. Now let's continue. IELTS listening question type is short answer questions. Now short answer question is the listening question type where they will ask you a question and you will have to answer that question. And as you know, in IELTS listening you are not allowed to use more than 3 words, minimum 1 number or 1 word, and maximum 3 words, and they can be a date, they can be a number, and all that. Now in short answer questions, in order to understand the short answer questions, it is very important for you to understand the WH questions. In one of my videos, IELTS speaking part 2, I have explained these WH questions. So if you want to really understand, or if you really want to understand IELTS listening short answer question, it's a good idea to watch that video which is on IELTS speaking part 2, and there I have explained the WH questions. You should understand the WH questions. In IELTS listening, in short answer question, they will ask you some questions which are starting with the WH questions. It can be what, why, where, when, who, which, and how. These are the WH questions we have, and they're going to ask you a question with that. Very briefly, I just give you some idea about these WH questions. If they're going to ask you a question with what is commonly used with thing, it means your answer is going to be a thing. If the WH question is with who, it means the person. So the answer is going to be a person. It can be the name of somebody, or it can be the designation of somebody. Who means a person. If the question starts with where means location. If the question is where, it means the answer is going to be the location. If the question starts with why, it means the reason. Means the reason of something. And if the question starts with how, it means the method or manner how something is done. And if they are going to use which, it means they are going to talk about a process or a non-living thing, right? Because we use which for things and we use who for the human being. So these are the WH questions, and read the question very carefully, because you know, after reading the question you should be very clear that in order to answer this question I need to find this very answer. Now what is the answer? Although that is in the audio, but you should estimate or you should guess that this is what I need to answer this question. Again, read the question. If they ask you, where was the function arranged? Now you should understand, I need to find out a location where the function was arranged, and that location I will find out from the audio. If they say how the gifts were distributed, now you are very clear that there was a method or manner how the gifts were distributed. From the audio I have to find out that method or manner how the gifts were distributed, and once you are clear about it, definitely you can find it. So read all the questions carefully. You need to understand the function of WH questions, how these WH questions are there, and before the audio starts you should be very clear, this is what I'm looking for, this is what I want to find from the audio. And once what you are waiting for, when it comes in the audio, immediately you will write it down. I wish you all the best, and I wish you a very good band score. And if you like this video, please like the video, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comments. And on the other hand, if you want more about IELTS, if you want to be updated with more information about IELTS, you must like my channel, because if you like my channels, automatically you will get the intimation whenever I'm going to upload a new video. I wish you all the best. See you soon.